In this video we're going to show how you can persist and restore the layout of columns in a columnar list. So you can see here we have a simple columnar list with first name, last name, city and state. We're going to go here and we're going to go and turn off some of the columns, change the order. So we'll go here, turn the state column off, go to last name, make that into the first column, and then go to the width of the last name column and reduce it. And now what we'd like to do is save the layout here so we can restore it later on. So we'll go here and click the persist layout button. Now let's go back to design mode and then go back into working preview. So here we have the original design of the list, and then we'll go ahead there and choose restore, and you can see that we've now restored the layout of the list. So currently we're using the default layout, but if we switch to a secondary layout, then we can persist and restore the layout definition for this layout as well. So if I go here and say restore list, you can see I'm going to restore a previously persisted definition for layout number 2. So let's go now and see how this was done. So if we go now and we look at the persist layout button, we see that we're basically, let's just remove that code, we don't need that. We can see that we're calling a method called persistListColumnLayout, and it's basically list number 1. So what this does is it takes the layout of the current active layout, which would either be default or layout number 2, and stores that in local storage. And then when we choose the restore command over here, again, I can just delete all that. You can see we just simply call the restoreListLayout method at passing in the name of the list. So if the default layout is active, then we're going to restore the persisted layout for the default layout. If layout number 2 is active, then we're going to restore the persisted layout for layout number 2. So storing and restoring list layouts is very easy using these two methods. Thanks very much for watching.